Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with a really quick video. So you have a dandruff problem and you've tried so many different solutions on trying to cure it topically. You've tried anti-dandruff shampoos, medicated shampoo, you've tried different oils to moisturize your scalp, you've even tried grease, petroleum based products. You've even tried drinking more water, eating more fruits and vegetables. You've tried it all. Sometimes that isn't quite enough, and this could be why. You may have a yeast overgrowth in your body. Yes, you may have a Candida overgrowth in your body. Now, Candida causes so many different diseases and illness in the body, including different skin conditions. And dandruff is just one of many skin conditions that an overgrowth of Candida can cause. So this is something that you may want to consider. Your issue may not be topical, it may be internal. There are a few different ways for you to be able to assess if you indeed have a Candida overgrowth in your body. If one or more of these apply to you, then that could very well be the cause of your dandruff. Now, there are a few ways that you can get rid of this excess Candida growth in you. There are some things that you can implement into your diet, but sometimes it really does call for a lifestyle shift. You may want to significantly cut back on sugars and carbohydrates, things like breads and grains. And that's why it's not just enough to implement more fruits and vegetables into your diet. You want to also eliminate those things from your diet. Here are a few more things that you can add into your diet and things that you can add to shift your lifestyle. So if you have chronic dandruff issues, definitely consider that you may have a Candida overgrowth in your body. Remember, Candida overgrowth in your body is detrimental in many ways. It manifests in different things such as yeast infections, which affect men and women, thrush, which is oral Candida. But when there's a yeast overgrowth in your gastrointestinal tract, that's when it can be really problematic and cause other health issues, serious ones. So tackle your Candida overgrowth now. I hope this video helped someone. Leave me a comment below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Check out www.keishacharmaine.com for your hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.